Are you the head of your organization or boss of your office? Well, my question to you is, hey boss, how do you manage mental wellness of your employees at your workplace? Well, the answer to this question is in the upcoming video. Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Kamble and I am a consultant psychiatrist practicing at Nagpur. This is a video series dedicated to mental health at workplace. So far, we have discussed upon various aspects about mental health at workplace. And in this video, we are going to talk about how a boss can take efforts to take care of mental wellness of his employees at the workplace. So let's get started. Make your workplace a safe workplace. Provide expected standards of safety and security at the workplace. Provision of safety and secure environment at the workplace helps the employee to work freely and without stress at the workplace. Hire adequate staff at the workplace. Avoid single person handling various tasks of various other employees at the workplace. Do not ask the employee to carry out tasks which are not the part of his job profile. Also, while assigning the task to the employee, keep in mind the skill set the employee possesses. Make sure you use the skill set to the maximum, and also this will ensure the best output from the employee. Keep check on harassment and bullying at the workplace. Keep check on discrimination at workplace done on the basis of caste, religion, region, language, or gender. Make discussions about mental health and various mental health issues as a part of daily routine discussions. Also ensure that there is no discrimination done to an employee if an employee is facing mental health issues. As a leader, you will also have to lead by example. You will have to take efforts to reduce the stigma related to mental health issues. If you as a person ever faced any mental health issues in your life, please do share with your employees. Please freely discuss about how did you face, what difficulties you faced, and how did you overcome these difficulties. Remember, you being open about the discussion about mental health issues will ensure that the employees will also feel safe to talk about their mental health issues. They will freely come forward and may talk about it, and if required, seek help about it. The stigma related to mental health issues causes most of the time people not coming forward and sharing about their mental health difficulties. So please lead by example. Also, teach your staff to deal in a non-judgmental way if they come across a staff who is having mental health issues. You can also teach your staff to identify the mild symptoms or the initial symptoms of the common mental health issues. This will help to identify the common mental health conditions at their early stage, and early interventions would stop the progression to severe forms. Assure provision of easy access to mental health services to the employees. Also make sure anonymity is maintained. It is the identity of a person or the employee who is taking these services will not be disclosed to others. Set an example by not encouraging addictions like smoking, in amongst the employees of the office during the office hours or in the campus of the office. With this, I come to the end of this video. Well, hope to see you in next video discussion. Till then, goodbye.